the last meeting we had with the Island Council, they liked our plan. We presented the plan. We've had 3 meetings with them, by the way, and they all liked the idea to begin with. We have people on our team that are wildlife specialists, herd management specialists, you know, and wildlife professionals. And they sent it to R&O to evaluate it and meet with all the stakeholders. They never met with any stakeholders. They never called us. They never met with us. And they went ahead and sent a letter back claiming that they'll overpopulate and they're inbred, which is absolutely not true. I met with them initially because I used to help take care of the donkeys, and I still do, long before they got here. So I met with them and said, listen, I'm glad you guys are here. You know, I introduced myself. I said, we really can use your help, and that if you're not on the island or if you can't get to an emergency, give the police our number and we'll be able to take it over. At that point, they told us they didn't need our help. Right? So they kind of refused to let us assist. So the sanctuary right now has 700 donkeys. The fact is, before the contract that she wrote, or they wrote, and was agreed by with Franklin Sloba that once the donkeys gone, before that, they had 350 female donkeys already in the sanctuary, which was really illegal because their foundation papers didn't give them permission to do that. There's stories that are put out about the donkeys being inbred and they have to save them. It just gives them permission to continue catching donkeys to fit their agenda. I mean, it'd be so much easier for them to say, okay, we're going to take care of the sick and wounded and not have to work so hard, and let Bonaire Donkey Protection League and Citizens for Better, Safer, Animal-Friendly Bonaire, the groups that are working to keep the donkeys free, let us handle it. What they're doing now, I understand, is they gave them permission to catch the females and the young ones. Males, they don't say anything about, so it's not helping the traffic situation. And if they continue catching the females, then they're going to become inbred, which they are not now, which they claim they are. And then we have a serious problem. If they feel that what we're saying is wrong, then let's debate it. You know, the best thing that can happen right now to this island, as far as the donkeys and the animals are concerned, is that the donkey sanctuary partner with us. They take care of the sick and the wounded. We take care of the ones in nature. That's the best solution that can happen. And come back with a conservative biology approach so that we can keep a fair amount of donkeys here and everybody would be happy.